Hey guys, it's your girl Brielle LaBelle, and today I'm coming at y'all with how I do my eyebrows at home. So keep on watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's get right into this video. So we'll be starting off by moisturizing our skin. It's incredibly important that you do this. I'm using my Corelle and African Shea butter. I got this at my local beauty supply store. You can find it at any of yours. Now I will be using my spoolie. You can also use a little brush and my pointed tweezers, also my favorite eyebrow razor, and my little mini curved scissors. Normally they are used for nails, but I love it for my eyebrows. So I'll be starting off brushing my eyebrows upwards. It's important just to avoid over plucking, and this gives me a better outline of seeing how much hair I do need to remove and how much I do want to keep. So now I'll be removing and kind of making like a line of demarcation as to where I need to pluck and where I need to keep the eyebrow hairs. Go ahead and take your time also, because you don't want to overdo it. You really want to just make sure that you're taking off either a couple strands at a time or just one strand at a time if you really are a newbie. As you can see, my tweezers are actually kind of angled, so the pointy part of the tweezers are getting each of the strands of my eyebrows right at its root, just so that it doesn't grow back too fast. I like plucking right at the root. So I'll be letting y'all see the rest and fast forwarding the video just a little bit to move it along.
Billy G's young Brody got that bounce. Woo!
Be mindful to keep your little spoolie right beside you to consistently brush up, as you'll be plucking. Eyebrow hairs will obviously be falling off, so to avoid those little hairs from staying within your eyebrows and you accidentally over plucking, keep on brushing or get a little like soft wipe and just wipe your eyebrows. And here I'll just be showing you guys the top part. So what I'm doing here is not necessarily pulling actual long hairs. It's just the itty bitty little hairs that it's kind of like peach fuzz at the top of your eyebrow. I don't know the correct terminology, I do apologize, but that's literally what I'm doing. I'm like removing the peach hair of the top part of my eyebrows just to make it more crisp. So now we will be introducing Mama Reza, and she really cuts, y'all. I got her also at the local beauty supply store, and we'll only be using this barely, just to really like make sure that the eyebrows are super crisp and clean. Like the tweezers get the job done, and the razor makes sure that it's extra done, you know? It makes sure that it just cleans up everything and brings all of the brow hairs together, girl. Like by the time you're done, your eyebrows are gonna be on fleek. Like your hot girl summer is ready to start for real.
Billy G's young Brody got that bounce. Woo!